the Southwest Service by Travel Kiwi, calling at Dorset, Bournemouth and Poole. Enjoy your journey, and please remember, when you hop off the train, mind the gap. Good afternoon everyone. So as you'll notice, we're in a different location and we're on the train. Why are we on the train, you may ask? Well, we're going to the region of Dorset. We're going to Dorset because my auntie actually lives in a little town called Poole, which is right next to Bournemouth. So we're going to be exploring everything around that region, and of course we're going to be taking you guys with us, so let's go. We have just arrived off the train. It was a good journey. It took us 3 hours and it was lovely. Now I'm just very excited to go and see my auntie. Hello. Hello auntie. Hello auntie. No. How do you do?
So we just got back to Megan's auntie's house, got all changed, all clean, and we're in charge for the barbecue for the night.
Woo! So we're going to have a barbecue tonight and we're just going to be chilling out, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow for another day. Bye!
See you tomorrow!
Good morning everybody. We are off on another adventure today. There's Anna and the recycling bin, and we actually don't know what we're doing today. My auntie's taking us around to a few lovely beaches, so we're going to go and explore, which is going to be fun. It's going to be a fun day. And we have made it to a cute little town called Corfe Castle, and I think it's Corfe Village as well. All these cute little houses, and there is a big castle that you can go and see, but they're all these little quaint little houses. They're very, very cute. We've met some new friends. How's your day going? You having some breakfast or is that lunch? Okay. G'day chaps, how are you doing? G'day chaps. We're here at Studland Beach and it is such a nice day. The sun is shining. Sand is golden. I feel like I'm not in the Caribbean, but I'm in somewhere in between, somewhere really nice. Just been chilling out today and we're going to show you how beautiful the beach is. We fed some cows this morning. We went to Corfe Castle. We've had such a nice day and I feel like I'm actually on holiday and I'm still in England for the first time.
Living the life, you know guys, there is no doubts.
What are you doing? Are you doing Sudoku?
Yeah.
You're such an old woman.
I am. This is the life. I'm not leaving Studland Beach, I've decided. You'll see me here.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
This beach, Studland Beach, is so beautiful. It's like golden sand. I think it's a wee hidden gem in Dorset. We are back at the car. We've just finished our day in Studland Beach, and that is the end of the vlog, today's vlog, guys. So don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed seeing Studland Beach, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Next time on Travel Kiwi, we race to see the beautiful sunrise, and I take you to Door and Lowworth Cove. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep